everyone. This is Pamela Lewis. Thank you so much for coming to visit my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, welcome. So glad you came to visit my YouTube channel. Before you leave, before you finish watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button. And then also hit that button that looks like a bell so you can get notified when I have new videos available. I'll be coming to you each week to talk about something about real estate to help you get prepared to either buy or sell real estate or even rent your home out. So get ready, get your pen, your paper, or even get your phone out in your notes section and get ready because I'm giving you some information. We are going to be discussing no money down loan programs or loan programs that have small down payments. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the VA loan, the Veteran Administration Loan. So these are for all of my military personnel. So you guys have a special loan program that is backed by the Veterans Administration. So where do you get this VA loan? Most banks offer a VA product. Now, I've had some people in the past are like, oh, my credit score is not good. They're in the military. But one thing you have to know is the VA loan, it's not credit score driven, which is totally awesome. But you also have to know the banks make their own criteria. So one bank could have a set criteria for interest rate and also a criteria for debt. And another bank that could be even next door could have a totally different criteria. So if you look at my other videos that I talked about is getting ready for financing, you want to pull your credit and find out what's going on with your credit. Look at the 3 credit bureaus and find out what is your credit score and what kind of debt do you have. Because I know, because I was a Navy brat. My dad's retired as a commander from the Navy. I know that they love giving credit out to the people in the military. So you have to make sure that whatever's going on with your credit report, know it up front so then when we get you with a lender, you can discuss what's going on. But this VA loan essentially is no money down. There's no mortgage insurance. So if you looked at my other videos, one of the things I don't like, but sometimes you got to have it in life, is your mortgage insurance. That mortgage insurance has nothing to do with you. It has to do with the bank, with being able to get recouped back any money in case you foreclose. But you don't have that on the VA loan. Now, what you do have, unless you have got disabled, is you have a funding fee. Now, there's a funding fee that the bank will charge you in order to fund your loan. Now, that fee will change depending on how many times you've bought a house. And you also have depending on what market you're buying a house with a VA loan, you have a maximum amount depending on how much income you're making too for each area. Now, some of the things that people don't understand is if you have a house, let's just say you were able to get up to the max, which is like, I think $443,000 in our market in the Hampton roads. Some people don't understand if you're coming from another market and you have another house, let's say you bought it for $200,000 with your VA. Well, you still have another $223,000 left on your VA eligibility that you could buy in our market without having to put any money down. But let's just say you had $223,000 left, but you wanted to buy a $300,000 house. Well, what would you do? Well, you could put the extra money down, which some people have it, some people don't have it. Or there's some lenders out there that would do a jumbo loan for you. So, a couple other cool things I do like about this loan is if in the event that you had to PCS into another location, and let's say you only own the home, let's say less than 3 years, and you can't sell your house for more than what you owe, you can do a VA compromise sale. A VA compromise sale will allow you to purchase another house. I believe it's the next day. So unlike the civilians out there, if they did a short sale, they have a time period they actually have to wait in order to purchase a home. Typically, it's like 2 years, a waiting period. However, with the VA compromise sale, it will allow you to buy another house in another area. Also, too, with the VA loan, if you are VA eligible, you also can assume another member's loan on their home. It's a little complicated. I'll have another video on compromise sales, but essentially, if someone's trying to sell their home and they're not able to get enough for the house, they can also offer their house to another veteran that could qualify to assume their loan, and that's really low with the fees. So even though you have no down payment, you do have closing costs, and I'll have another video on that. But that's one of the cool features of the VA loan that I like. It's a lot of protection for you as a vet. I do know there are some vets out there that use other loan products. I'm not sure why, but I'm sure it has to do with whoever they're talking to as far as getting a loan. But the VA loan usually is the way to go for your protection. I do know sometimes in the market, sellers don't want to take contracts with the VA loan because their appraisers sometimes can be a little strict on the value of the loan. Right now in 2020, we're not seeing that problem. But I like to keep a pulse on that because we were at some point around 2008, 2009 when the market shifted. There was a kind of a surge of people not wanting to take VA loans because of the evaluation of their appraisers. But right now, we're not having that problem. So I like that loan product for veterans. It's an easy product for you guys to understand. Now, one of the things you have to know, because some people think, oh, well, it's a government loan. My interest rate is always going to be the same at every bank. No, it's not. So the banks do set the rates for the VA loans, and it can be different bank to bank. But what the bank can't charge you are any additional fees other than that funding fee, and but they can change. They can charge you different rates. So do know that. So do shop around. I always have recommendations, 3 recommendations I always give our clients. And I like to check too because I like to be a little nosy and see what's going on. So hopefully that helped you out. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm Pamela Lewis. I'm the broker with Realty Executives, team lead for Team McKinney. And I look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.